What's up, Miami? It's your boy Miguel So Clean from Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile, and today we have a great one. Let's bring back the bling to these floors. Look how dirty these grout lines are. Remember, guys, we're not just any cleaning crew. We're the local legends turning grubby floors to gorgeous, one tile at a time. So today we're hitting up a spot that's seen better days, obviously, as you can see. Talking grout so grimy, it's got stories to tell. And tiles that forgot they even looked good. So let's go ahead and lay down the secret sauce. And we're going to allow our sauce to dwell for a good 10-15 minutes. And we're going to follow through our big boy, our square scrubber. And there's no match for our square scrub. It's just cutting like butter. Take a look at that. Oh my goodness, what a difference already. Obviously, it's still a little wet. So then we're going to go ahead and use our hot water extraction wizard dry that works miracles. We went all in, guys, scrubbing away years of neglect, revealing the hidden glow beneath. Look at the floor. Look how different it is. And because we're all about that extra mile, we sealed the masterpiece with our high-tech nano ceramic sealer, making these floors not just clean, but keep it clean level clean.